Hello my jewels, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today in this video I am going to share with you an easy method that I do. It's only been close to a year now. I don't think it has been quite a year yet since I've been doing this method, but I have seen it on YouTube since 2013, 14, and I've seen lots of women do this method. The method is called the Baggy method. Now, all you do is just put a plastic bag over your head. Before you do that, you would add some oil, moisturizer. I've seen videos add moisturizer and oil, and or just like a leave-in conditioner, cream, and then the oil, and then they would apply the plastic bag for a few hours or either maybe overnight. Well, here today, I'm just going to do it just for a few hours. So today is Wednesday, and it's cleaning day for me as well. You won't see that. I do have some cleaning to do. So this is a great opportunity to share with you how I do the Baggy method in order to restore or retain or to maintain the moisture in my hair after a long day. Okay, so I want to thank everyone who are here on today. Thank you guys so much. Welcome to my channel, and I hope and pray that you enjoyed this video. I also want to thank all of my new subscribers as well. Thank you guys so much, and welcome back, and I hope and pray that you enjoyed this video too. Now, what you're going to need: plastic bags, and the reason I have two, because you see my hair is in two ponytails. Now, the videos that I have seen, they do their whole entire head. Most of them do the whole entire head, and they sleep with it overnight. Some, they section their hair like I have here. It could be other, more ponytails into the hair, and some of them they just do just a flat ponytail or either a bun. Now, I did try the bun before, but afterwards it just didn't get enough moisture. It wasn't really moisturized, so I just sectioned it out in two. Okay, so you're going to need plastic bags or a bag. Okay, you're going to use a moisturizer, any moisturizer of your choice. I am using the white peony leave-in from Miel, and I have my apricot oil. It's not a lot of oil because I don't need a whole lot. So this was just left over, and I'll use it. So it's not even an ounce in here. As you can see, it's not even an ounce. Okay, so you also going to need these little scrunchy things here, and that's just to hold the bag in place. I forgot my scarf in my room. It's in my drawer, so you are going to tie your hair up, okay, so the bags can get some heat to it. Okay, so I've already combed these out, and I'm just going to spray a little of the conditioner. And I use my conditioner as a leave-in and also a moisturizer. So this is my moisturizer, okay? Just like that. And then I'm going to take my oil. And I just poured it on here. It looked like a nickel's worth, okay? It looks just like a nickel's worth. You guys see some flashing buses do come around this curve here because kids get dropped off a few blocks up, and yeah, a lot of buses come through here. School buses come through here. Okay, and this is how it look. So I'm going to take my plastic bag. I put my hand through here, and I'll tell you why I'm doing that. I'm just going to grab it, okay, and then bring this up. And this, my ponytail is already loose, so I hope and pray that I can gather all of this. And sometimes it goes through there, and sometimes it don't. I just didn't want a real tight ponytail because I just don't. Okay, looks like it's going to go through. And if it doesn't, let it go. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a little loose right now, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. And then I'll take my scarf, and I'm going to tie this up, okay? So I'm going to do the other side. This is runny. and some oil, same amount. Okay, take my other bag, put my hand in there like this, put it up here. Wait till I come out. It's my granddaughter. Okay. So yeah, so let me do this one over because it looks like it's coming down. And it is. I don't like having this too tight. So that's probably why it's coming down. All right. Okay. See this one over. And just pull it up like so. And I'm going to get my scarf out my room, okay, guys? And then I'll come back. Okay. It's higher, but it's better. So you get the gist. So now I'm going to get my scarf, and this is going to be just like this. And I'm going to keep it on for a couple of hours. I'm going to vacuum my floor, staircase, dust my table, the chairs, and the cabinets. And I'm going to clean my ceiling fans. Elizabeth is on her way home. It's a little after 4 o'clock. So she should be here shortly, and she's going to help me clean. So you guys won't see that, but I'll be back. It probably will be maybe 7-ish, somewhere along in there. Okay, but I'll be back. But you would have to tie your scarf around here in order for it to heat, you know, so the heat can just penetrate through here. All right, so I'll be back in a couple of hours. Okay, I'm back. It's about 8:42, 43. I started, it was like maybe 18, 19 minutes after 4. And it's been on my head for a few hours now. So I've done my cleaning and everything like that. And it's just, it's moisturized. It's wet. It looks wet, like I just wet my hair, but I didn't. That's just the effect of putting a plastic bag on and then tying your hair up. So this is just a quick, easy method. You know, if you trying to retain the moisture or adding moisture to the hair, or if your hair needs that extra moisture, a quick, easy way to do this, just put a bag, you know, put some moisturizer, oil it up, and then your plastic cap, tie your hair up. You can go around the house like I did, because today is Wednesday. I always do my cleaning on Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays, I do a lot of dusting, vacuuming, all of that. And then Saturday, if the walls need wiping down or whatever, toilets and things like that, I would do that. And I also do my laundry. So Wednesday and Saturdays are my cleaning. And when I'm on vacation, that's when I just really tear the house up. I just, from A to Z, from top to bottom, you know. So yeah, but this is how my hair looks. It's very moisturized, and I'm just going to put it back in a bun and then wash myself up, read a little bit, watch some Christmas movies, and then I'm going to go to bed, okay? Because I'm a little tired, because I did work today, and I'm a little tired. I am dedicated to keeping our home clean, you know, sanitized and things like that. So yeah, but yeah, so let me know in the comments down below, have you guys ever heard of the Baggy method? Or if you have, how often do you do it? Okay, so thank you guys so much, and if it's the Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. Thank you ever so kindly. Mwah. God bless you.